in regards to dealing with progression, right? Many Rastas are self-sufficient, or they just have a hustler spirit. And clarify this for me. Is it because that some people say that they removed themselves from society, and some people say they were ostracized from society that forced them to do things to survive because they wouldn't be employed by anybody?
Oh, and I rise up as Rastafari. We try to be independent and self-sufficient, working for I and I self. But our work was mostly like farming, knitting, brethren selling posters, you know, even His Majesty posters, you know, them kind of thing. But now the youth them rise up, these set of youth rise up in a different dispensation at time from I and I. And them not gonna need because them not gonna make enough money. They not put them under the dirt because them not want to look dirty. And them not have no time for walk around and sell His Majesty portrait or some flag, and the money they're too small. So it's just a different era. Now every youth want to be a singer, every youth want to be a DJ. You know, everybody want to drive a big car. But through them years, Rasta no work for the system and Rasta independent, and them want to do the same thing and them not work neither. So it make it hard upon them. Right? Not because I and I got through it, that way they survive. The youth them nowadays, they say them no want to work, them are going to suffer. They have to find something to do. And if everyone wants to DJ and everyone wants to singer, who going to plant the food? Who going to be a mechanic? Who going to be a mason? Who going to build the house? Where we are going to live? Everybody are going to jump up and sing. It can't work, you know? So we have to find a way for the youth to survive. And the youth them now must understand that the only way to survive in this system is to educate themselves. Education is the key to success. Education is the key to freedom. And when you're educated, if you really want to free, you have to own a piece of land. Food, raiment, and shelter, that's the possession of a man. And if you don't have that, you're still a slave. So if you free yourself, these are the main things you need to do. Educate yourself. The education with them have out there, whether it was English, Amharic, anything, any kind, learn all of them. That's the only way you can communicate with the world, and that's the only way to survive right now. As Rasta, we never not talk about the rest of the people, because if me is Rasta and my house is dirty, I have to clean up my house first, because I have seen a lot of Rasta children going down the drain, because them feel like, say, oh, put on locks, smoke herb, dig out them and miggle, drink a Guinness, jump up and dance. Is Rasta. There's more than that to Rasta. Rasta is more than that. We're supposed to be here to liberate I people and to free I people out of the slavery where them have I people under, because they have access to everything now. Them have things easier than I. Because if you can't spell a word, you can go up on the phone and ask the phone, and the phone spell it for you. We never have it so easy. Them walk around town, them laugh, you ask somebody no question, and just boom, boom, and put on them this, and they say, okay, and then reach where them and go. So they must make use of that, you know, more than say, oh, some of I feel like, say, okay, Babylon are going to fall. Next week, I don't plant no coconut. Because Babylon soon fall. Illusion. And sometimes when them say, boy, we are chant. I even hear Rasta man say we are chant too much now. What do you mean we are chant too much? I don't understand what you mean we are chant. And when they say, boy, we are chant too much, and we say Pope for dead and the Queen of England for dead and this for dead. And them not dead. We not talk about that, because if the Pope dead tomorrow, them put the next one. If the Queen dead, them put the next one. Yeah. So when we are chant down spiritual wickedness in high and low places. And the system that they have set to hold down and to keep down high and high children. Because we are here to save the children, you know. And if we can't save the next generation, who is to come. What will happen to I and I people? You know?
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.